How do I record and run multiple find/replace with Sublime Text 2? How do I record and run multiple find/replace with Sublime Text 2? I tried recording a macro but, as it seems, Sublime won't record find/replace, only text input etc.
Yes, reg replace is the way to do it. After installing that package, the way to do it is edit/packages/reg_replace.sublime settings. You can access this in ST2 at preferences greater than package settings greater than reg replace greater than settings, default. Create new entries in the replacements object, each one being a single regex find/replace. Note that you have to doubly escape special characters. For example, string those individual replacements together into a command for the command palette. To do this, edit the file/replace/default.sublime commands, preferences greater than package settings greater than reg replace greater than commands, default. Add something like this. Then all you have to do is invoke the command palette by hitting Ctrl+Shift+P and browse to your newly created command. For reference, on my Windows 7 installation, the Sublime Text directory is at text2/.
You're right, Sublime will not record find/replace. However, from this post on Stack Overflow, it appears you can use replace.
We don't need plugins. Here is the Sublime Text macro code to replace war with love.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.